Hello students, welcome to the fourth part of our chapter Fiber to Fabric, where we will discuss the NCERT question and answers. So first question in your NCERT is you have to classify the fibers as natural or synthetic, and the fibers are nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester and jute. So nylon is a synthetic fiber. Wool is a natural fiber. It is obtained from the fleece of sheep, yak, camel, etc. Cotton is also a natural fiber because it is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant. Silk is a natural fiber because it is obtained from the cocoon of silkworm. Polyester is of course a synthetic fiber because it is prepared in factory or it is man-made, and jute is again a natural fiber and it is obtained from the stem of jute plant. So this is the answer, natural fiber. Wool, cotton, jute and silk are natural fibers and nylon and polyester are synthetic fibers. Now you have to state whether the statement is true or false. The first is yarn is made from fibers. True or false? It is true. B. Spinning is a process of making fibers. Is it? False. Because the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. Not making fiber but yarn from fiber. Now jute is the outer covering of coconut. Is it correct or false? It is false because the outer covering of coconut is called as coir and jute is obtained from stem of jute plant. Now next is the process of removing seeds from cotton is called as ginning. True or false? It is true. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. It is also true. Now silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. Is it? Silk fiber is an animal fiber. So this statement is false. Silk fiber is obtained from the cocoon of the silk moth. Now last one is polyester is a natural fiber. True or false? It is false. Because it is man-made, so it cannot be a natural fiber. It is a synthetic fiber or an artificial fiber. Now next question is you have to fill in the blanks. Plant fibers are obtained from. They are obtained from cotton plant and jute plant. Of course, because in your syllabus cotton and jute have been explained, otherwise it can be coconut also, it can be flax also. Next is animal fibers are dash and dash, wool and silk. Now from which part of plant cotton and jute are obtained? So we have already discussed in the previous lectures that cotton is obtained from the fruit of cotton plant, and cotton seed, which is a fruit which on ripening splits open to release white fibers of cotton. Cotton balls, it will be cotton seeds here, by mistake cotton seed is written, but it will be cotton balls, which is a fruit cotton, it will be ball. Cotton ball, which is the fruit of cotton which on ripening splits open to release white fibers of cotton which surround the cotton seed. Now jute is obtained from stem of jute plant. Now name two items that are made from coconut fibers. So the number of items which are made from coconut fibers, and it is ropes, doormats, mattresses, etc. Now the next and the last question of your NCERT is explain the process of making yarn from fibers. So after making the yarn from fiber, The process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. It is yarn. There's a spelling mistake by ARN. From fiber is called spinning. Fibers from a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. So this was all about the NCERT question answers. Write these question answers in your notebook. Revise these question answers. In the next turn, we will discuss some extra questions from this chapter. Thank you, students.